Hello again, this is Professor Ford coming to you, this time from my trusty iPad. I assume by now that you have become familiar with the layout of the course, and as I have said a few times now, that the modules are designed for you to start at the top and click your way down. This way, you are guaranteed not to miss anything. Well, I assume you've also read the course introductory document. So one of them is titled The Difference Between an Online and a Face-to-Face Class. And as I state in there, there's not all that much difference these days. Frankly, face-to-face classes have online components, most of them. Most of them use Blackboard, online videos, online problem sets, and so forth. So the difference isn't that much, not really. However, a huge difference is how you ask a question. When you're in class, you raise your hand and ask a question. Or you come to the professor's office. Well, we can do all of that online. But in here, you need to go up to the top of the content area where it says Ask Professor Ford. That tells you how to use the Blackboard message system. And you send me a message and you ask me a question. And I can either, maybe it's a simple question. I can answer by just, writing back. Or if it's a little more complicated, I could come in here and go to my iPad, and I can write out an equation like this and work problems. I'll try to be a little neater than that. Or maybe draw a graph. Okay, shifting curves around, and I can draw like this, and I can point out, highlight things here with my little red dot and all kinds of stuff. So I can work the problem exactly the way I would in class or in my office if you're sitting next to me. We can do this all here. And the reason why I like to do it this way is because when you ask a question, probably others in the class have the same question. And I can post this answer for everyone to benefit. So you ask a question and everyone benefits, and I can work it out. Now, I've done some of these already. You can see in the modules, not all of them, but some of them have a section called Extra Help. And some of these are recordings I've made to try to clarify things. Some of them are answers to questions I've been asked. But that's why I think online classes are actually a little better than face-to-face, because if you take a Tuesday, Thursday face-to-face class, when do you get asked questions? Tuesday and Thursday. Online, when do you get asked questions? Anytime, 3 a.m. Of course, I won't be responding right away if it's 3 a.m., but I'll get your question the next morning, and I can work on that later on and get you an answer within a few hours, probably. So, any day, and you don't have to wait just for when you're in class. So, feel free to ask questions. One caution, if you wait till the last minute, the last night, when something's due, chances are there's not enough time to get that done, okay, to ask a lot of questions, okay? So get an early start. That's always better. And do a little bit each day, all right? Don't wait for things to stack up. All right, so that's it. Ask, and ye shall receive, right?